Vintage portraits restored with Palette AI. This workflow saves countless editing hours for archivists and content creators.
Can AI truly restore century-old portraits? This tool significantly reduces editing time, producing professional quality vintage photo restoration in seconds.
Scientists, welcome to this Palette AI guide. In today's AI photo restoration tutorial, we'll restore old photos instantly, transform damaged memories in seconds. Palette AI delivers museum-quality restorations, saving creators hours of work.
This AI image enhancement repairs scratches and rebuilds features in seconds, dramatically reducing editing time for historians.
Can AI reverse decades of damage? Look at this. It saves countless editing hours while achieving professional results.
The AI Restore Vintage Portraits feature in Palette AI is a game changer. It handles scratch removal and facial reconstruction Welcome to this AI Restore Vintage Portraits tutorial. Using the Palette AI guide, we can achieve stunning AI photo enhancement. The AI dramatically accelerates the restoration process, maintaining exceptional historical accuracy and bringing forgotten faces back to life. Higgins, welcome to this AI Restore Vintage Portraits tutorial. Using the Palette AI guide, you'll see how this AI restoration software...
I challenge you, can this damaged portrait be restored in less than a minute? Check out this Palette AI review. Look at that AI image and
I can't believe how clear it is. It means so much to us.
It's remarkable what intelligent automation can do to preserve these memories.
Palette AI's vintage portrait restoration uses intelligent automation for incredible results, dramatically improving workflow efficiency. The key is the AI restoration software. Notice how it handles the facial reconstruction and texture recovery without losing authenticity.
Experience AI photo restoration that achieves professional quality. Palette AI enhances every detail, saving creators countless hours of manual retouching.
We used Palette AI for the restoration, and it really brings back the natural textures. It's perfect, absolutely perfect.
This AI image enhancement, Palette AI, dramatically reduces the time historians spend restoring vintage portraits, increasing productivity.
In minutes, Palette AI can restore old portraits. Which one do you think turns out best in this AI image restoration challenge?
With the Palette AI guide, we can restore this vintage portrait in seconds. The software automatically repairs the cracks and balances the contrast.
This is Vintage Portrait Restoration, powered by Palette AI. A professional photographer can now restore old portraits in seconds using Palette AI.
This is the AI Restore Vintage Portrait tutorial you've been waiting for. Using Palette AI, this AI restoration software dramatically increases productivity for photographers. Check this out.
With Palette AI, we can now restore vintage portraits efficiently. The AI removes fading and repairs cracks with remarkable realism.
Experience the magic of Palette AI. Watch as AI restore vintage portraits, transformations. The conservators use Palette AI to revolutionize vintage portrait restoration. This AI workflow saves value.
I challenged Palette AI with this absolute mess of a photo. The results are stunning. This is how you restore vintage portraits and enhance your workflow.
So many priceless memories are fading away. Thankfully, restoring this history no longer takes months, just seconds.
As you can see, the AI instantly repairs damaged faces and rebuilds missing textures, greatly improving efficiency.
Hundreds. Utilizing Palette AI for vintage portrait restoration, this technology delivers professional results in a fraction of the tradition. We're reviewing Palette AI for vintage portrait restoration. It removes stains and reconstructs faces instantly. Wow, look at that AI image enhancement.
It's beautiful, but so damaged.
Wait, look.
Palette AI restored it. She looks incredible.
Today we're diving into Palette AI. This tool streamlines the restoration of vintage portraits, removing the need for complex manual workflows and boosting your productivity.
With Palette AI's Restore Vintage Portraits feature, we can achieve AI photo enhancement like never before.
It is beautiful. They are alive again.
I'm challenging Palette AI with this heavily damaged vintage portrait. Let's see if this AI restoration can handle the scratches.
We were able to restore every detail. This is my grandfather. I never thought I'd see him like this.
This AI Restore Vintage Portraits tutorial will show you how Palette AI works. Watch as the AI restoration software automatically removes this. AI Restore Vintage Portraits instantly transforms damaged photographs into lifelike masterpieces through advanced
Check this out. Palette AI just restored this vintage portrait in seconds. The detail, the scratches removed, this is a massive time saver for creators.
Oh, it's beautiful. I never thought I'd see his face clearly again. It's really him.
portrait vase. This Palette AI guide demonstrates how easily you can restore vintage portraits. The AI restoration software helps us repair severe fade.
Welcome to the exhibition. With Palette AI, we achieve extraordinary quality in moments. Watch how AI Restore Vintage Portraits handle.
All right, guys, welcome to the ultimate AI Restore Vintage Portraits review. Check out these damaged photos. We're using Palette AI's image.
This is the last photo of my parents. It means so much to me. The AI restored it beautifully, Grandma.
This AI restoration software dramatically reduces manual editing time while maximizing your creative productivity. This is Palette AI. It uses intelligent facial reconstruction to transform even the most damaged photographs, delivering extraordinary quality in a fraction of the time.
Restoring these used to take hours, but this AI vintage portrait enhancement is instantaneous. Look at the detail it recovered. Welcome to our Palette AI guide. This AI restoration software uses advanced intelligence to restore vintage portraits, dramatically simplifying your workflow.
Through intelligent facial reconstruction and AI photo enhancement, Palette AI transforms these vintage portraits in minutes, not months.
Restoring a vintage portrait like this used to take forever, but this Palette AI review will show how it handles severe damage automatically.
Thanks to Palette AI, we can restore old family photos, removing fading and repairing torn corners while preserving historical authenticity.
As you can see with just a few clicks, the AI restoration software analyzes the vintage portrait, repairing scratches and enhancing textures automatically.
The AI intelligently repairs the damage and restores fine textures in minutes.
Absolutely stunning. The clarity is remarkable.
Discovered behind a forgotten shelf, these portraits are now restored by Palette AI, showcasing remarkable quality and enhancing every detail.
Trying to fix this manually is a nightmare, but this is the Palette AI review. Check it out. One click and the vintage portrait enhancement is done.
This AI restoration software simplifies the workflow significantly. Watch as the Restore Vintage Portraits feature eliminates the cracks and enhances the lighting. AI Restore Vintage Portraits offers museum-quality clarity. This professional restoration is completed within minutes, dramatically boosting efficiency.
Check this out, check this out. I found these damaged vintage portraits and the restoration is unbelievable. Look at this before and after.
Using Palette AI's Restore Vintage Portraits feature, the software automatically removes scratches and rebuilds faded features, drastically simplifying the workflow.
Using Palette AI, we can achieve museum-quality results on these vintage portraits in minutes, repairing even the most intricate damage. I can't believe they were hidden here.
And with AI Restore Vintage Portraits, we see lifelike clarity. The image enhancement is astonishing.
The AI Restore Vintage Portraits feature is incredible. It reconstructs missing facial features and restores clothing textures with remarkable realism. This is a game changer.
I never thought I'd see their faces clearly again. That's the power of the AI photo restoration. It really preserves the memory. This AI restoration software uses intelligent automation to restore vintage portraits, reconstructing faces and enhancing realism instantly. The difference is clear.
Experience the future of AI-powered photo restoration. Start restoring your treasured vintage portraits with Palette AI now.